Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One, and this is the second week of starting my seeds. So here is the cauliflower. They grew up. And this is the cucumber. Now look at that. That got taller than the cauliflower, right? Now over here, these four are the tomatoes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tomatoes. The next two is where the eggplants. So only got a little bit there. Okay. Then this one was zucchini squash. Zucchini. So those two right here. And then the next two was winter squash. And yeah. All right. And then what I was really looking forward to is my habanero peppers because I love spicy food. And yeah, look at that. So they really need some TLC, or I need to change up something. So I just wanted to give you an update. So now I'm just going to water them thoroughly on top of misting. So, and everything. But yep, so this is the update. Stay tuned because I have another video coming. And so yeah. Please comment, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And you have a great day.